to save ourselves from various diseases. Non-vegetarian food is the cause of several diseases. Non-vegetarian food causes 159 different types of diseases. The most common diseases caused due to it are heart diseases, high blood pressure, obesity, kidney problems, gallbladder problems, wound in arteries, eczema, paralysis, tuberculosis, constipation, pains, arthritis, hysteria. Non-vegetarian food causes cancer. It increases the risk of certain types of cancer, while plant food seems to have a protective effect. Colon cancer, 88% more than vegetarian. Prostate cancer, 54% more than vegetarian. Ovarian cancer, 66% more than vegetarian. Breast cancer, 4 times more than vegetarian. Non-vegetarian food weakens the bones. They said that non-vegetarian food weakens the bones gradually and they begin to deteriorate. The vegetarian people have strong bones when compared to non-vegetarians. What is the reason? In the non-vegetarians, high quantity of alkaline and salts are excreted through urine, which causes deficiency of these salts in the blood. The blood fulfills the deficiency from the bones. The imbalance reduces the resistance power in the human being. We consume twice as much protein as we need when we eat a meat-based diet, and this contributes to osteoporosis and kidney stones. Animal protein raises the acid level in our blood, causing calcium to be excreted from the bones to restore the blood's natural pH balance. This calcium depletion leads to osteoporosis, and the excreted calcium ends up in the kidneys, where it can form kidney stones or even trigger kidney disease. Non-vegetarian food plays a major role in raising mental diseases. You are what you eat. When animals are slaughtered, fear and aggression, enzymes are shot into their cells from their glands and other organs.